This is a brand new 2014 Nissan Murano. This crossover has a continuously variable transmission, a 6-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, roof rails, traction control and stability control systems, side curtain airbags, child seat safety anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Matt Castrucci Nissan is located at 3013 Mall Park Drive in Dayton. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.